Welcome back to my channel, yeah. Mel Beauty. I'm Mel. I keep on doing this. Hair keeps on getting right there. I don't know why. So, it's my favorite time of the month when I see boxes in my mailbox. Boxes in my mailbox. Boxes in my mailbox. Yeah. Get it. Yeah. You already know it's subscription boxes are in my mailbox, and I get super happy. And the first one up is in this pink bag. Woo, we already know when it's a pink bag, it is Ipsy. So, this is an Ipsy unboxing for June. Oh, did y'all know next one is July? Do y'all know what July is? It's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. Okay, let me stop because I'm getting too excited. So, if you don't know about Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. And sometimes you get full size, sometimes you get samples. You can pay monthly, which is $10, or you can pay yearly, which I pay, which is $110 plus tax. But hey, you end up getting a free bag. So, I'm not complaining on that one. So, go ahead and get my free bag, Ipsy. But I like Ipsy. You earn points every time you review, which I do say, do your review, do your sneak peeks. Even though I do sneak peeks, y'all, I don't even remember what the sneak peek was. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't even know what the sneak peek was. I feel so just blonde. I don't know, and I'm not that old. I'm not that old whatsoever. So, let's go ahead and get into this box because I don't even know what the theme is this year. I said this year, this month. And I'm taking off. Let's see. Ooh, I put something on the outside. It is something on the outside. I have lashes. I think I had got this using my points. So now it came in. These are red cherry lashes, and I couldn't say no. And they almost like the lashes I have on. So these are silk. These are human. Silk, human. Silk, human. Yes. We'll have some fun with these. What? I forgot I even used my points for that, y'all. I have a blonde moment. Hold on, there's something else in here. Hey, we have some more face masks from, what is this company name again? I forget. We have more face masks for them. Oh, I love this company. Like they make one of my favorite face masks. And what are these this time? Are they the same one? Yep, they are the same one. They call Perfect Radiance with chocolate, mud berries, and honey. That unicorn glow. Oh, unicorn glow. Boo, I'll be glowing like a unicorn. What? Unicorn glow. Girl, don't get me started. Eee. Okay, let me stop. Let me pull out this bag. We don't even know what the theme is. I don't know what to think with the unicorn. So, this is our bag. She cute. I like that this is red. Then you got the cross between pink and red. Then you got the light pink. But this red though. This red. It don't even look red because my shirt ain't red. But it look like it match. But it don't. Because my shirt is orange. But I see the card. Let's see, what is the theme? The theme is flying colors. So, let's see what's on the back of the card this time. I like reading the back of it. So, at Ipsy, Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It is about unique beauty, self-expression, inspiration, everyone to complete themselves without a fear of judgment. That's why we are highlighting 7 LGBTQ plus creators who Oh Lord, I got tongue-tied. Creators who know that what makes them different also make them beautiful. But this is just the beginning. We still have so much work to do to educate the world on love, acceptance, and tolerance. Together we can make strides for every day, whether you are marching proud in the Pride Parade, out proud, supporting your friends, loved ones, and starting to learn about LGBTQ plus movement. We hope that Flying Colors Glam Bag and all the stories on Ipsy.com will unify, empower, motivate you to be your best, most loving, vibrant self for July. I am my most vibrant self every year, all year round. This is cute. It is cute. You know, Ipsy always has some influential stuff. And they had a controversy not too long ago with this. I guess they posted something. If y'all saw it, y'all tell me, because I didn't see it. You know, it's kind of hard for me to be on social media half the time. So the first thing I feel is a brush, of course, and it's a Luxy blush. That's a Luxy blush. This is a small shader. I have no idea what this is. It's probably for the eye because it says small shader. So I'm thinking eye. It is eye, which is by Luxy, which this is a good brand. They make a good brand of brushes. They brushes a little high. They're a little high. But between Ipsy and BoxyCharm, who always give me Luxy brushes, thank you, because I don't think I would have been paying for them myself. So the next thing I feel in here, another Steven lump. Oh goodness. The next Steve product. We got them last time. I still have never heard of this cosmetic line. Have y'all? So this one looks like it might be, I don't know. Oh, okay, there it is. It's a eyeshadow. That time it was blush. This time it's eyeshadow. Oh, very bright green. Let's swatch it. Let's see would it beat how non-pigmented the eyeshadow was. I mean the blush was a little patchy. But then I'm using my fingers, so you can't really judge it by swatches, which is, it's not on my eyes. So yeah, the bright green, I don't know. I don't really use green like that. When I feel like being outside the box, I feel like just doing something random, I probably use this green. I probably will. You know what? I'm going to have to think of an eye look to go with that green. I'm pretty sure I don't have a lip look to go with it. Oh, I've been wanting to try them for a while. This is the Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner from Pixie. I have always wanted to try them. They are in, somehow trying to zoom in, I hit the stop button. Okay. But yes, this is Pixie Cosmetics, and they are in Target, and I've been wanting to try them for a while. Now I can try them. Thank you, Ipsy. How you knew this was on my list? I see you, girl. And this is, ooh, this don't look too right. Let me zoom in so y'all can see this look. Do y'all see that? I don't even know what to make of this. Do y'all see that? Maybe because it was in the sun for a little bit. Maybe if I mix it. I don't even know what company this is. I never heard of them. Luscious Lip Stain. I never heard of them. And now I'm a little nervous because it had to be the heat. yeah, I live in Houston, so it was in the mailbox, and the mailbox is outside. So maybe this is the heat doing, but let's see. Let's see if we shake it. Now paper wants to stick to me. I don't know. I'm mixing it around. I don't know what to think of this. This is creepy. So I'm trying to get it all to mix together, but let's just wash it. Let's just wash it. And okay, it's supposed to be it's a leaf stain. It's called Passion Peach. This like berry sheer. Like berry sheer. Like, I understand it's a lip stain, but ain't a lip stain supposed to be a little bit more pigmented than this? I can still see my skin. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a little patchy. I had to do too many swipes. That might mean it's gonna stain my skin. Hey, for the love of makeup. And then that's all she wrote. That's all what's in the Ipsy bag. I would say let's do a look, but it ain't nothing I can do with some green and some peach. And it's still some right here. I have no idea what's going on. I mixed this together. Do you still see that? It's still one part that won't mix. That's crazy. Okay, this has been a weird Ipsy thing. So we're gonna go ahead and end that video. Gonna go ahead and end this. So what y'all thought about Ipsy this month? Was it a ha or was it a me don't know. I'm not sure the lip stain is I don't know, stainy. I don't know. It would have been cute to go with my makeup, but a green and an orange. I think this is the first time I ain't gonna like a makeup product, but hey, we got next month. I pay for it yearly, so it ain't like I pay for it every month. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You know what? Tell me in the comments what you thought about this month Ipsy bag. Tell me, was it a hit or miss with you? What product did you like? What products you didn't? I know face mask, this, and of course my lashes. Baby boo, you got me. You got me. You got me. But this lip and this eyeshadow, it's kind of a miss for me. I don't know, y'all. I can see it staining, but I'm like, nah. So don't forget to comment what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and surely don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell right there, so when you know when I post new video. So see you in the next video, beauties. Bye.